Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the Infantino squeeze station. I bought it from TJ Maxx for $15.99, but it is on Amazon for $19.99, and I'll put the link below. So this is basically what it looks like. It comes with 3 of these tubes. It comes with 10 single-use pouches and 10 lids, and it comes with this tool over here to push the food down. So keep watching and I'll show you guys exactly how it works. So the first step is you take your pouch and you hold it horizontally and you align it to the slots. It should fit right in, just like that. And you push it all the way back till you hear this click. Then you take your filler, screw that on, and you take your food. And you start filling it. Right, then you take this tool and you start squeezing. And as you can see, it's already filling up the pouch. And that's what it looks like. You put your date and the food that you have in the pouch. Put it in the freezer, put it in the fridge, whatever you want.